Okay, so let's say it this way, that if you are studying law, then of course there are certain subjects you end up studying anyway. Like, general studies kind of study, you already have an advantage, because in a good law college you get so much exposure to things like sociology, anthropology, psychology. You have some exposure and you have this ability to pick up any random subject and master it and learn it. So, and you're used to studying volumes of text. In law school, if you are in a decent place, you are used to, like, as a lawyer, you develop this ability to study a lot of text and simplify things, remember things, apply things. I think that itself is a big advantage. Law, you can take law optional in the UPSC exam, which is also an advantage. And I have done webinars in the past with lawyers who have cracked UPSC. It is there on our YouTube channel. You can go and watch for more details. But I have seen my friends, my batchmates, many of them clearing UPSC mains quite easily. Like with 1.5 year of practice, 2 year of practice, 2 year of preparation, they have cleared. And 2 attempts, people have cleared in 2 attempts usually. Average attempts, 2 attempts, they have cleared it. And I think it's very doable. I mean, if you're good at taking exams, you're good at studying hard, you're good at disciplining yourself and sitting, and it comes down to discipline, sitting down and studying and being able to study for 10, 12 hours a day. So, law is a very high pressure education. There are some colleges where there is no pressure, but in most colleges, I would say, NLUs, private colleges, many government colleges, there's a lot of pressure for you to perform, for you to read, for you to study. So you have the habit of studying volumes of content. Imagine like studying the Contract Act or CPC or IPC or Evidence Act. These are huge, tomes. And then there are so many sections and there are so many interpretations, so many explanations, so many case laws. You are used to studying that kind of volumes of stuff. The problem is that in some colleges, you don't have to do that. In some colleges, you simply, prepare for some past year's question papers and go and write that, and it's enough. That then you may not develop that rigor of study, but otherwise you end up developing the rigor and the intellectual rigor and the ability to study and quickly read a lot of things and remember and understand all that you develop. So I think that's the biggest advantage of studying law when you go to write UPSC. Your brain develops while you're studying.